We need friendly Islam, not angry Islam. Well, the most important thing about Islam is that we have to differentiate between two kinds of Islam. The first one is the institution of Islam. Second, the culture of Islam. If we cling to the institution of Islam, then we tend to defend it against whatever we see as a danger to it. So because of this, we see now that many people are defending states, defending territories, defending everything institutional in the belief that they defend Islam. I told the students that we can exert pressure without resorting to violence, and that we can move towards democracy without violence. That way, God will allow it. I am a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. All too many Muslims fail to grasp Islam, which teaches one to be lenient towards others and to understand their value systems, knowing that these are tolerated by Islam as a religion.